In the annals of Philippine history, few have stood out the courage and resilience of Gabriela Silang. Born as Maria Josefa Gabriela Carreño Silang in Santa Ilocos Sur in 1731, she became a symbol of strength and defiance against Spanish colonization. Known as the Joan of Arc of Ilocos, her story is one of love, loss, and unyielding bravery. The mid-1700s was a time of oppression. Spanish colonizers ruled with an iron fist, and the Ilocano people longed for freedom. Gabriela Silang, alongside with her husband, Diego Silang, became a beacon of hope in their fight for independence. Diego Silang led a rebellion in 1762, rallying his people to rise against their oppressors. Gabriela was not just his wife. She was his confidant and ally. Together, they envisioned a liberated Ilocos. But tragedy struck. Diego Silang was betrayed and assassinated. Most would surrender in grief, but Gabriela Silang chose a different path. She took up Diego's mantle and became the first female leader of Filipino revolt. Gabriela led the Ilocano resistance with fierce determination. From the mountains of Abra to the plains of Ilocos, she commanded her forces with strength and strategy. Her defiance inspired many to continue the fight for freedom. But in 1763, after fierce battles, Gabriela Silang was captured. On September 20, 1763, she was executed publicly in Vigan, Ilocos Sur. Though her life ended, her legacy was immortalized. Today, Gabriela Silang is remembered as a fearless warrior, a loving partner, and a leader who refused to let oppression define her people. Statues and monuments stand in her honor, reminding us of her bravery. I may have fallen, but others will rise. The fight for freedom will never end. Gabriela Silang's story lives on, not just in history books, but in the hearts of every Filipino who dreams of freedom and equality. Her courage echoes through time, inspiring generations to stand up and fight for what is right. Remember Gabriela Silang, her sacrifice, her courage, and her fight for freedom. Share her story and let her legacy live on.